Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to add some protection to the interior of our 2017 Silverado. The interior of our Silverado can really take a beating from dirt, salt, and road debris, so today we're going to protect our investment by installing these front GM floor mats. These are GM's all-weather front floor mats for your 2014 to 18 Silverado. They're a genuine GM product made of high quality and flexible rubber with deep channels to trap and hold onto dirt and moisture. They feature the iconic Chevy bow tie to show off your Chevy pride, and they're super easy to remove for cleaning. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Alright, so installing these floor mats, it's obviously pretty straightforward. The first thing you want to do is remove your old floor mats. Now, whether you do or don't have floor mats in your truck, I'd recommend cleaning the interior. Either use a brush or vacuum to get it nice and clean because you don't want to get that dirt any further into the carpet. Once you get it nice and clean, you're ready to install your floor mats. Grab the driver's side floor mat. It's the one with the two anchor holes right there. Then they just snap in to the factory anchors. Just like that. Couldn't be any simpler. Now just install the other one on the passenger side. Okay, we got our GM rubber floor mats installed in our Silverado. They add a nice custom touch to the interior and an extra layer of protection. Install really couldn't be any simpler. It only takes a couple of seconds, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.